everybody, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Dari Iteoluwakishi. If this is your first time here, you are very much welcome. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up right at the end of the video. Drop a comment down in the comment section. I'll definitely be getting to it. And if you are a returning subscriber, you're very much welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this link again. You know how it goes. Okay, so from the title of today's video, you know what's about to go down. I am going to be doing some DIY lash extensions, and basically spring break is almost over and then we are going to have to go back to school. So I was thinking, yeah, I want to go back to school looking cute. As you can see, I kind of like restyled my braids. If you haven't seen my shorts or the video on Instagram, please make sure you go and watch it. Also like, share, tag me, do all that. But I pretty much restyled my braids, and I was thinking, oh yeah, let me just try to get individual lashes done. So I ordered a lash set from Amazon. I'm going to put the link down in the description box. I ordered the lash set from Amazon, and when it came, I was a little bit confused because like I made sure to put individual, not like for business purposes or something. So the box came with like a bunch of things that you can actually use for your lashes. The first thing was this fan. It came with like this mini air conditioning fan that you can just use to like blow and like dry the lashes. It also came with these two sets tweezers. They are actually like different mouths. One is pointed and one is a little bit bent. You can basically just use it to like pick your lashes and all that. I don't know if you can see. And then this one is very much straight with a tiny mouth. So it also came with this hydrogel eye patch. They are basically those patches that they put like under eye to like keep your eyes a little bit moisturized. It also came with this tape that you can use like under eye to like mark where you want the lashes length, and then like to pretty much like hold the eyelids upward so you can attach the lashes. It also came with this pack of spoolie. I think this is about maybe 12. Yeah, this is like a dozen. And then it also came with this pack of glue holder. You can basically just pour the glue that you need like in here and all that. Okay, so for this, I'm not entirely sure what it does, but I guess it's like to remove glue like around the eye or something. It's like cleaner. I think that is what it does. And then it also came with the glue and a glue like lash extensions remover, like when you want to take out your lashes, maybe you're tired of it. And then finally we have the lash set. So basically I went for the one that is like not too long. I think the longest is about 15 mm here. So basically it goes from 8 to 15 mm. I don't know if you can see the length a little bit. Okay, yeah, so basically this is how it goes. The shortest ones are like up here, and then it goes down to the longest one. So this is 15. So this is 8, 9, 10, all the way to 15. So yeah, basically those are all the things that it came with, and this is my first time actually doing this by myself. That is why it is DIY. I'm not a professional. I really don't know how this works, but I did watch a few videos on YouTube and Instagram, and I was like, oh yeah, I should probably try to do this myself. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how the process goes. So be sure to watch this video to the end to see the results, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. The button is like down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so my goal is actually to achieve like a fan kind of look, but I'm not sure if I can do that, but I'm going to try. So the first thing from what I saw online was to get that I'm going to have to spread out the lashes a little bit, like just give them a little bit of space, and then it kind of has like the I don't know, flower or fan kind of look. Okay, so the first thing to do is to pick about 3 to 4 lashes together, dip them in the glue, and then attach it like right where you want. So I'm going in right at the corner of my eye, This is another set of like 4s, and then I take it and put it like right under my lashes. Okay, so I have basically been on this for almost 15 minutes, and I just want to say, whoever says, oh, it's quite easy, you can do it yourself, that person is lying. Because in just 15 minutes, just look at the little thing that I've been able to do. And the fact that you're working with glue, you have to be super careful so it doesn't get in your eye, and you basically have to like attach it like one by one. It's really a lot of work. So basically I am done with the 15 mm's. They are actually longer than what I expected, but they look cute, or they are looking cute, so I'm going to just keep them. So basically I'm going to go in with a mix of 14 mm's and 13 mm's right at the middle, and then work my way down to the end of my eye. So another reason why I feel I'm actually slower is because after taking them out of the strip, I try to like pinch the tip of the lashes, so it kind of like forms like a fan kind of look. I think the next time I need to buy lashes, I'll probably buy the pre-made fans style, because that's actually how I like it. So yeah, while you are doing this, be extra careful. You are working with glue and you're also working with your eyes, so you have to like really know what you are doing. Take your time, no distractions, just so like you don't do anything that costs you your sight. Okay, so while fixing the lashes, you want to try as much as possible to put them as close together as you can. Actually, it depends on like the lash volume you are going for. I'm not going for something too thick. I'm trying to achieve like a classic set. So I'm putting them close together, but I'm not picking like too many lash strips. I'm just picking like 2, 3, depending on how it looks before I like fix it in. So I'm going for like the really simple looking, easy kind of set, and I hope it looks good. So far I'm loving how it is looking. I just want to show you guys how it looks now. So I have 15 on this side, I have 14 here, and then I have a mixture of 14 and 15 right here. And just so you know, I haven't gotten like halfway yet, but like you can already see how it like stands out. I'm trying to achieve like short long kind of look, but like in a slopey kind of way. I really don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but this is actually why YouTube is very important. This I have never done before. I just watched a few videos on YouTube, and then I just kind of like decided, yeah, I'm going to finesse it, and it's giving. From what I can see, it's definitely giving. I actually do not want these videos to be too long, so I'm going to go ahead and fill up the rest of this eye, and then I'm probably going to show you guys how it looks before I move to this other eye. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it looks. I am supposedly done with one eye. I am not sure how I am liking the volume. I'm thinking like I could do a little bit more, but this is basically how it looks. I'm going to show you guys an up close. I think it looks pretty good. I didn't really follow like any particular pattern per se. I just know I wanted this corner like really long than the other ones, and I think I'm going to like still add a few more here. I'm probably in the middle. So I'm actually just going to be honest right now. It has taken me an hour to do this eye, and it's like only I am actually really loving how it looks, to be honest. So I'm going to do this other eye and I will show you guys how it looks at the end. Hey guys, so I am back. This is how it looks. I actually had to get up to do a few things and then come back to it because it's actually currently dark outside now, so I'm using a light just so you guys can see it better. But this is how it looks. This was the one that I actually did off camera. I love it, but like, you know, it's not really giving me the 100% like how I actually really like this one, but they both came out pretty good. So I'm going to be giving you guys a few tips that I personally noticed while doing the lashes. So most of the DIY videos I watched, most of them explained that they preferred the angle tweezers to the straight tweezers. But while I was doing it, I kept trying to make the angle tweezers work, but I just did not know how to hold it. If I was supposed to hold it backward or forward, I didn't know, so I had to stick with the straight tweezers. So one of the things I would really try to advise is, if you ever want to do it yourself, try the straight tweezers, try the angle tweezers, and then you see which one works for you. And then another thing I noticed is, when I first started, I kind of like wasted like a whole bunch of lashes because I didn't know how to pull it. While pulling it, they kept coming like separate, and then like kept scattering, and then eventually realized that it's better to pull. I'm going to just take a few to explain. I don't know if you can see. So it is better to pull like downward like this in a slow motion. They come off together when you pull downward compared to when you literally just pull it like this way, because at first I kept pulling it like all the way up like this, and then I realized that it's better to just pull it downward slowly. Okay, so another thing I would advise is, if you prefer the pre-made fans like I did, I actually wanted the pre-made fans, but I really thought like making the fans like by yourself would be easy, but it wasn't. So I would advise that if you want the pre-made fans, just buy the pre-made fans. Don't buy like the separate ones and then start plucking and then twisting and then trying to make it into like a fan kind of shape, because it's really hard and it's just going to waste your time. Okay, so basically this is just how it looks. I definitely love it. It's giving everything it's meant to give. It's simple, yet at the same time it's not too scanty, and I'm literally just obsessed. I hope you guys absolutely love this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Please definitely subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next videos.